how do you define what it means to make it in the new music business?
I've been thinking about that a lot lately. And I don't have the answer. I think living comfortably on the art is, I mean, if you're doing that, then you've made it in a way. If you feel like stable, I think you need to feel happy too. Like that's something that I struggle with more. Like it's so stressful.
Yeah.
It definitely doesn't have to do with signing a record deal. I'll say that. It doesn't. I mean, it's starting, you know, it's so funny when I first moved to LA and I started being in all these rooms, these writing rooms, and after all that stuff went down and I was not a signed artist, people would always ask, Are you in a major? Are you in a major? And I go, no, I'm not in a major. And now I go, and people would go, oh, okay, that's cool. And now it's different. People go, are you signed? And I go, no, I'm in a profit share with an investor. And they go, wow, that's cool. Like the attitude has changed. Mm-hmm. And I feel really happy with the decision to go that non-traditional path. So I don't think, and I mean, yeah, like these executives, like with all the movements that have happened in the last year, we just see how outdated and how dinosaur-like a lot of the people in charge are. And I think the young generation is so smart. I'm excited in a lot of ways to see what happens with all the arts, because things have really shifted.